It's so quiet here. I don't like it very much. Ooh! Ooh! I don't like it very much because it's spider, and it was said that there is snakes, so I'm not very keen of going very far. But I'll try for you, make it worthwhile for that video, I hope. Oh dear! Oh dear! Oh! Oh! Those vile thing on the floor! Oh dear! Oh! Horrible! Oh my god! Oh dear! Oh dear! Oh, I'm trying to rush a bit because I want to get out of it. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh dear, oh dear. Minute. Oh, I need to get control. Brrr. Oh dear. Okay. They could arrest me or stop me for filming because you're not supposed to film here, I suppose. I don't know. Oh dear, dear, dear. Brrr. Brrr. Oh dear. Oh. Oh. Minute. Less beep. Oh! Nearly fell now, tripping over the rubbish. I think it's the hardest video I've ever done in my life. Okay, well, we enjoyed the video. I think it was something different. Have a nice day and thank you for watching my video. Like and share, please. Oh, thank God for that.